This is the day before the actual race of the Mille Miglia. It's where they seal the cars to make sure that the officials know the cars are competing in the race as they complete the 1,000 kilometres round. And you can see them in the background there. This goes on for about 3 hours and it's flat out, lots of noise, lots of cars, lots of exhausts. We will join the race tomorrow at 2 o'clock and follow them all the way through Lake Garda and hopefully get some video for you there. Great day and lots of stuff going through. That in the background's an Austin Healey 104 with 1953. Quite a few Austin Healeys in the show. These are all the real deal. Wee Spider Porsche. Goodness knows what it's worth. We're just thinking numbers. You know, not even part of the equation, these cars. We'll just walk down the line here. You just keep coming and coming and coming. This is going on for about 3 hours. You can say tomorrow morning's the start. Big old Mercedes 190. She'll definitely get round. I'm sure of that. So we've parked up in the square along with all the classic cars, and you can see the crowds around the car really taken to it. You can see everything else is here, all $1 million cars, but you can see the crowd around the DeLorean. And, pretty amazing. So we've got $1 million row here of cars all lined up for the Mille Miglia, and you want to take a look at this. Crowds around the car everywhere. It's been mental since we pulled up. Left the car running with the lights on, of course, and yeah, so actually this is outside the head office of Mille Miglia, so we're getting quite a bit of a stir, which is cool. You just look down the street, see, all the cars are down there, and here we have the DeLorean. This is our location in Brescia. We've got a lovely wee B&B which we'll show you in a moment. The lady of the B&B has kindly given her parking spot. So there's the DeLorean parked up. We're going to be leaving in about an hour, heading to the start of the Mille Miglia race. So car looks good. A few paw prints on it, but you can expect that, people just checking the car out. So I'm going to walk in, we'll show you the apartment real quick. I'm down this wee alleyway and up the stairs. People are lovely. Very affordable, beautiful breakfast. Up the stairs, everything's marble, so nice and clean and cool. And this is our room up here to the left. Jared's in having his breakfast, so a nice little apartment. And sorry, that's my mess. And yeah, cool. And does the job. Okay, here we are at one of the sets of Game of Thrones. No, I'm just kidding. This is actually the start of Mille Miglia. We've stuck in, we've blagged our way into the to the very, very centre of it all. And we've got the DeLorean here and everybody's waving and looking good. Got a great spot. It's Wednesday the 16th of May and we're here in Lake Garda. Jared and I, we've drove all the way from Ireland for this point in the DeLorean, and weather's great. We're waiting on the supercars coming in the next 5 minutes. So yeah, it's going to be cool. DeLorean's just sitting parked over to our left. You got a few shots of that earlier on. Beautiful day. So there's lots to see on the shores of Lake Garda. You see little babies. You don't want to get wet just yet, so I'm not going to annoy them. And this is the view looking out over Lake Garda. You can hear the cars in the background as they go through the time trial. Swing right round. So earlier on we had the supercars going through, And now we have the proper classic Mille Miglia. Great sound, great atmosphere, great weather. So we have blagged our way onto the race course, believe it or not. We have blagged a pace car ahead of us, and we have blagged, as you'll see in a moment, the fishes to get us onto the track. We're just going to slip through the crowd. You can see our security guard. We've given a few pictures in the car, and that's how we've got him to be so helpful. We're going to let a few cars come through. The sound and the smell of petrol is just fabulous. It's like perfume. So here we go. This is our moment to shine on the Mille Miglia, and we're off. At this point the doors are open wide. To make our way down the track, you can see Lake Garda on the right. That's our pace car ahead. Thousands of people have lined the course of Mille Miglia. They've set up tables and wine, and they just sit there and watch these fabulous cars travel through. And we have managed to get our way on the track. Pace car ahead of us, and we're clearing the way to continue on. You can see people have set up tables for miles on this course, and they just suck up the atmosphere of the cars going through. The sound, the smell is incredible. You can see our yellow flag through, pace cars ahead of us, and we're allowed to open up.